What do we have here? Wow. This box has been untouched for, geez, 20 years, maybe more. This could be 1986, 87, 88. It's been sitting on a shelf all that time, unmolested. Yes, I got creative and I was into Misfits heavily back then, and I thought that was a good look. It's one of a kind. It's got batteries, charger, and the box, original box, busted up. Some parts. Basically, this car is pretty much intact, in a little rough shape. There we go. Independent suspension, all-wheel drive. Here's the drive shaft. Spins the front gearbox and the rear. Tires still got some good tread on them. Oil dampened independent suspension shocks. Ooh, is that the gold motor? I think it's the gold motor. Should be. Yeah, those who know RC, this is an aftermarket speed controller. And yeah, there's my Hornet box in there too, or was that the same company advertising? Yep. I guess that was original paint on the inside. Can it be restored? That's an original shell. That'll go for a lot of money, I think. If anybody's interested in as is, just throw a number at me. Or I may be inclined to slight use. Slightly abused, but totally intact. I guess there's no springs. Gotta figure that out. Did I remove the springs? I probably did. Wow. This is from high school. Tennis racket tape. Okay. More videos to come. Exploring this box. If you want, like and subscribe to see what I would do with this. And to be continued. It's just a little teaser. Later.